Now let us see an example how the SHM calculation is done. So I give you one question. Find the height of tide at Tianjin, port number 7368 on 11th April at 1124 hours. So let's see how we will go about doing that. So as we saw, first thing we will obtain the mean level, that is Z0 from part 3, which we got 2.41. Then we will obtain the seasonal correction for the same month from the bottom of the part 3 page, that is will be minus 0.1. We'll put it directly and apply the seasonal correction. We will add this to, and we'll get the tide mean level at 2.31. The next is we will obtain the value of A from table 7, M2, S2, K1 and O1 is 196, 351, 226 and 320. Then we'll obtain the value of G from part 3 for M2, S2, K1 and O1. So we got 097, 175, 164 and 104. Now add the values obtained in step 10 and 11, that is A plus G. You can see 196 plus 097 is 293. Same way we calculated all, even if it is 360, take it as it is. Then the time we already saw, it was 11:24. So we convert it in decimal of hours, that is 11.4, 11.4, 11.4 and 11.4. Now these values have to be entered as it is 29, 30, 15 and 13.9. Next is multiply the values of 17 and 18. So 29 into 11.4, 330.6, same way for all. Then copy the values of A plus G as it is 293, 526, 390 and 430. Now calculate the values of step 19 and subtract from 20. So 19 minus 20, we will do like this. Actually it is 20 minus 19, and whatever answer we get, 19, we will put it here with that sign also. Then this is what we got theta. It's this theta will multiply by sine theta, and that whatever values for only M2 and S2 it will be put automatically here, or you can calculate manually, and then cos theta for all the 4 values. Now once we got the cos theta values, we'll go to step 27. We'll get the factor, tide factor F from table 7 for all M2, S2, 1.11, 1.16, 0.92 and 1.2. You can check. Then H is the amplitude from part 3 harmonic constant table, M2, S2, K1 and O1, 1.19, 0.34, 0.39 and 0.29. Multiply the values obtained from step 27 and 28, that is F into H. So steps, you will get this answer for all the values. Now we saw, so we have to multiply the values from 22 and 29, that is sine theta, Fh sine theta for M2, S2 only, and Fh cos theta for all values, which we will use later on. Now for calculation of R sine R and R cos R. So M2 and S2 values we added, we got what you call R sine R, and this M2 S2 calculated, we got R cos R. Then by this method, we divided these values and did tan inverse. So we'll get small r, and then we will convert into 360 notation. For capital R, we just square this as we saw. R sine square R plus cos square R is equals to 1. So just square of this plus square of this, and under root of the answer will give you this value. Then we need to get 2R. So we will see how we got R. And then we got 2R. So use double of this. And we need to get it below 360. So it will be minus 360. So 256.2. In R square, we can see it is in decimal. So we keep it as it is. Then we get F4 small f4 and big f4 value from the tables that we put here, 256 and 0.052, and then we will calculate 2r f4 and r cube f4, and then t4 cos t4 values we will put here. This is small d4 and big d4. And then we have to get all the values below 360. So 512 minus 360. Then we will put in d4 cos d4. Then step 33, 3r again below 360 and r cube. And then we get f6, small f6 and big f6, and we will do big d6 into cos small d6. So all values below 360. Then last step, we will add all these, and finally we got the answer here as 2.606. From the below shown diagram of quadrants, we can find the value of r, and that is called the polar quadrant. So let's see how we calculate. So our value of r was around 40 or something. We got the value of r here, maybe around 52. And we can see r sin r is minus, r cos r is plus. So if by dividing them and tan inverse, then you got 52. R sin r is minus, r cos r is plus. So we'll put 52 here, and then we will measure from 360, from 000 anti-clockwise, and we'll get the r as 308. And this is the procedure. It's made here somewhere. This is from where we'll get the values a and f, and m2s2 k101 a and f values from table 7, and that's it.